I know it's going to be a lot of energy in this building.
NBA playoffs, baby. Want to go home.
We got to make this a series, guys.
The most aggressive team going to win, gentlemen.
They're going to fight. They don't want to go home either.
You got to get your hands dirty, and you got to go get it.
Go, let's fight.
Showtime! Hoorah!
We came to win, baby!
Set the tone for it, starters. Let's go.
Dazzling array of moves by Kobe Bryant.
Hey, good start to the game. Good job.
Lorenzo!
Go! Get back! Look at this! Hey, get a stop, Brad! Get a stop! Denied by Howard. They made a run. We make a run. Wade again. Push it away. Lining it up. Timeout. Get back in this game. Let's go.
LeBron from 40 feet.
We're going to win this game by playing together as a team.
We got to have it this half.
We cannot take a step back.
You make a couple mistakes, that's fine.
Dragic knocks it down. If LeBron does go middle, I expect a teammate to be there. Nice take by James. Oh, he's
We got 5 minutes to dig in.
You think it's over? It's the most important part of the game right now.
Y'all act like you're not supposed to be winning. We're supposed to be up. We're better. Act like it.
One more time. Pierce puts it up for the win. Celtics win.
Congratulations. Great job. That was tough. We'll take it.